Next we are creating the circular pocket. This will be defined with parameters at Pocket 4. The Pocket 4 cycle can be found by pressing the horizontal soft key milling, followed by the vertical soft key standard pockets, then circular pockets. RTP, retract plane absolute, enter 10mm. RFP, reference plane absolute, enter 0. SDIS, safety distance without sign, enter 2mm. DP, pocket depth absolute, enter -15mm. PRAD, pocket radius without sign, enter 15mm. PA, pocket center point x-axis, enter 35mm. PO, pocket center point y-axis, enter 50mm. MID, maximum infeed depth for one infeed, enter 15mm. FAL, finish allowance edge, enter 0. FALD, finish allowance base, enter 0. FFP1, feed rate for surface machining in millimeters per rev, enter 0.35. FFD, feed rate for depth in feed in millimeters per rev, enter 0.35. CDIR, milling direction, select 2 using the select button, which is clockwise direction, G2. Vary. The Vary parameter allows the selection of cutting strategies. With the select button, select 21, which is plunge vertical using helix and roughing. MIDA, maximum infeed width, incremental, enter 8mm. RAD1, radius only for plunging on helix path, enter 4mm. DP1, insert depth incremental, enter 2.5mm. All parameters have now been set. Please press the OK soft key. After that, we go back to the return point. G00, Z100, rapid movement to a safe position, M01, optional stop.